What you're seeing on screen right now can make you thousands of dollars online. Today, you're going to be learning how to do copywriting for YouTubers to make money. It's really simple, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, starting with step 1. First, I'm going to show you what copywriting for YouTubers actually is. Then I'll give you a cool website that allows you to get the email addresses of thousands of YouTubers. And finally, I'll show you a secret AI tool that you can use to get paid a lot more money by the people that you work with. So very quickly, copywriting is the skill of writing persuasively online. It's basically the skill of a dedicated way of writing that attempts to make people buy things from you. But with my new system, we won't be trying to get people to buy things from us, we're just going to try and get them to watch YouTube videos for longer. We can actually write a full script for a YouTube video, and then all the YouTuber has to do is read the script and they've got a video. This is actually a massive business, and you can get paid up to $1,000 per script if you're writing for huge YouTubers. So now that you understand the basics of what we're going to do, let's move on to the next step. So this is the document that I've put together, including all the tools you'll use for this system, and you can find the link in the description down below to grab it for free. I recommend you open it now and follow along with the video as you do it. We'll send it to you via email, so if it hasn't come in the first minute, give it a few minutes and it'll work. And very importantly, if you don't watch the full video here, you won't understand how to use the document, so this will all be a waste of time. Now, how do we find niches of business owners or YouTubers that aren't commonly targeted by freelancers? Because then we can basically clean up all the competition and just take all of the clients for ourselves. Well, we're going to copy and paste this entire prompt into ChatGPT, and as you can see, I've highlighted some sections at the bottom of this prompt. These are sections I want you to change, and that's because if everyone who watches this video uses the exact same prompt, you'll all target the exact same clients and nobody will make money. But for this example, we're just going to say we're a copywriter writing YouTube scripts for an audience that's interested in building muscle. Now, we'll just plug this into the free version of ChatGPT, and it's going to pump out all of our keywords. Each one of these words represents literally thousands of potential clients in the next step. So this website is called Prosperity, and you can use it to find clients on YouTube. AKA, it's just handing us money on a silver platter. So now we're going to select and create a search, and we'll make sure it's on YouTube. Then we hit Discover Channels by Criteria. We'll paste one of our keywords from ChatGPT in here. I recommend using the advanced search so you can filter by the highest paying clients possible. But first, you need to select your categories. So just choose any of them you think your potential clients would be interested in. Then for the countries, just choose ones whose languages you actually speak. Then I'd filter to make sure that at least have like 10,000 subscribers and their total views are over 100k. And I'd say their average views are over 3k. I'd also filter and make sure that they have over 20 videos. So these filters allow us to basically filter out a lot of smaller channels. Look, sometimes smaller channels can actually make you money, like you can get clients with that, but in general, like your highest possibility chance is going to be working with clients who are a little bit more established. Now, I have closed clients before who have smaller channels than what I've shown you here, but if you want to work with clients on a mass sort of scale and reach out to a lot of people, you're best with these filters. So you can just use the basic version or just use credits to get verified by email addresses. Now, this is going to take us about 30 minutes to start giving us a big list of email addresses, which will bring us on to our next step, which is what I like to call the ally tactic. Now, you need to approach this right, or else you're not going to get very many responses and this method won't work. There are loads of spammers out there, so if your email is marked as spam, you just won't be getting any clients because they won't see your emails. So you need to send these emails in a way where you appear like an ally and a friend, as someone who actually is real and wants to help this person. So you can look at their channel and find something to compliment them on, like whether it's their setup, whether it's the way they talk, whether it's a joke they made, and then offer to send them a quick loom. Sending looms is literally how I've got paid like 200k from a single client, so this is definitely something I recommend you use, but the first thing you need to do is get them to actually respond to your email. So you should send something in an email along the lines of, subject line, video about channel name, whatever the person's name is. Hey, first name, I really like how your channel explains complex fitness concepts in a way that beginners can understand. I would probably, like, this is just a placeholder. You need to be way more personalized than this. Like, you need to just say something that's actually relevant to them, because this is like, this doesn't work whenever you basically just send it, because it just seems so bland and basic. Like, people actually want to see that you've put a little bit of effort in. So this is where you go for a personalized compliment. So I help channels like yours grow their following with YouTube scripts that keeps the audience engaged. This saves you time and leads you to making more sales. Would you be interested in me sending a quick loom where I explain how I can help? Thank you, and then put your name in. Sending an email like that will land you a lot more clients than just sending a basic, unpersonalized email to a massive list of people. And that's because big YouTubers or business owners get sent thousands of crappy emails from people, and you just get used to it and you tone it out. So you need to step yourself above and let people know that you actually want to put the effort in for them. So once you start getting replies to your emails, you need to actually deliver on that loom that you mentioned you'd send them. You're basically just going to tell them in that loom who you are, how you can help them with their channel, specifically through script writing, how they're feeling, how you could improve. Do it in a positive way. Don't be like, you're really crap at this, I can fix it, because that's going to turn the business owner off if you say that. So do it in a positive way. You show them why you're the best person for the job. Now, if you're writing scripts, you need to give them a bit of sort of credibility of yourself, of like why you actually know how to write YouTube scripts that keeps their audience entertained or retained. Now, how do you actually get good at writing scripts? Well, you just practice, you look on YouTube. I'm going to post a lot of content on my channel in the coming months, so make sure to subscribe if you're not already. And you basically just want to show them that you actually know a little bit what you're talking about. You don't just say,
oh, I just keep you retained with great script writing tactics.
okay, what are the tactics?
I don't know.
You actually have to show them what you can do. And don't be afraid to show a bit of personality when you're making this limp, because people want to buy from a person that they like and trust. And if you come across as charismatic and just a fun person to talk to, then they're going to want to work with you more. Whereas if you come across like, hey, I'd like to work with you, I want to make some money, nobody's going to respond. Now, once you close a client through this method, how do you actually sort of keep that client paying you every month? Because a lot of people will get a client, deliver a really shitty service, and will never get paid again. They don't make any money. So this is where our second AI tool comes in. We need to deliver a really good service, and this tool helps us do that so easily. If you want the scripts that you write to actually keep people's attention on YouTube, you need to understand like what people's pain points are, what they actually want out of the video, and just actually understand who's watching the content. Because if you don't, you'll just make random videos that don't appeal to anyone, and the YouTuber won't get any views. And if the YouTuber doesn't get any views, you do not get paid. So if we go back to our list of keywords that we got from ChatGPT and just plug one into this tool called Ankava, you can only get it with the link in the description, but it's completely free. You just can't find this on Google or anything. So basically what this tool does is it goes on the website reddit.com and basically looks for communities based off the keywords that you put in. Now let's break this down because it can look really complicated if you've never seen it before. For this example, we're going to say we're a copywriter who's writing sales emails for the fitness coaching YouTubers we saw earlier. We will choose a random subreddit like meal prep, and immediately what I notice here is a problem. So this person is struggling with gaining weight, and they tell us a little bit about themselves. And this basically tells us that people are looking to lose weight using meal prep, but they're not sure how to do it. You'll start to understand your audience a lot better, which will allow you to actually persuade them better with whatever services you're offering, whether you're writing a YouTube script to keep them engaged or whether you're writing a sales email that makes them want to buy something. But we're not quite finished. We've got one more thing I want to show you. So there's another way that Ankava can help you land more clients yourself. In this example, let's say we want to work with YouTubers. You can literally just type in something that they would be interested in, like get more views. Well, we'll take a look. And if we look at this subreddit right here, we can look for posts that will tell us how these YouTubers think. And this post is about how the person is struggling with YouTube Studio. And this might not seem like a lot, but when you read these posts, you start to understand how YouTubers think and sort of the language they use, what they talk about, and you just generally actually know who you want to work with. Because if you don't know anything about these people, and if you don't do any research on them, you're not going to close them. Like a business owner is not going to work with someone who doesn't have a clue about what they're doing. You have to think about it from the business owner's perspective. And to be honest, this is all great, but you'll need to know a lot more when it comes to positioning yourself as someone who actually gets paid thousands of dollars if you want to get clients. And the truth is, the video you've just watched, this video, is completely useless if you don't understand how business owners actually think. So if you really want to make money as a copywriter, you need to watch the video on screen because it'll show you exactly how to get clients and position yourself.